Welcome back to night painting part 2, but this time I have a microphone on me. Look out. Shit, microphone. I suppose I better say something. Christ, forgot about it already. This is the third coat going on now. I'm trying very hard not to roll the insects in. They're all right. Not annoying me too much. So I've been going for about an hour and a half. Been 2 hours now to the other side. And I moved over to this side and should still take me another couple of hours to get this side done. I did give it a brief sanding, very brief sanding, because it's pretty good. It's still a little bit tacky from last night. Now I pretty much sanded just to get anything that was sticking up, any insects that were still there from last night. Looks like some of them are gone. I don't know whether the birds come along and pick them off the paint during the day. That'd be nice. I owe them for that. Top it up.
Then chilling with Dylan.
These are my homebrew tins, ex-homebrew. It's working out really well. I know how much to put in these when I'm mixing the paint. I don't have to weigh it and bugger eyes around. Double safety steps coming in well handy with the paint. So we'll be back down tomorrow. I'll see if there's any need to put another coat on. It's been pretty good. It's been covering pretty well. This is the third. I did have colour coming through from where I sanded it right back, and there was some sort of yellow shit. I don't know whether that was an undercoat previously or gel coat even. I don't know. It was a funny yellow colour. And I can still see it through in a few places where the paint's a bit thin, or maybe 3 coats will cover it. We'll check it out tomorrow, even though 2 more top coats will probably have anything showing through. That's the idea of the undercoats. I really hit it with a water blaster, and the paint might not have come off, but once I started, it was all over. Paint was coming off everywhere. So I guess the opportunity to do it. And I'm waiting for the electric motors to turn up. I got the batteries today, but I haven't got electric motors yet. So it was good to get the halfway around Australia. Bye. and up and down gently down. Push it on when you're going upwards, force it on, and then roll it back gently to get rid of the roll lines. Nice and easy down. It'd be really nice to be able to spray a boat one day. I always seem to use a roller method. I don't mind it, but it's something you have to do quite carefully. Otherwise you can end up with a boat covered in lines and you end up doing a lot of sanding, trying to get rid of them again. The idea is to, I reckon, force it in on the way up and then come gently down to get rid of the lines. You do have to push the paint on, force it in. These downstrokes, let's get rid of the lines. And if you see one, do the whole length. I mean, it's going to come out stripy anyway, but you don't need really thick, heavy lines of paint. These rollers are pretty good. I'll swap this one out for the second side tonight. Last time I used it, same roller for both sides, and it sort of went a bit shit at the end. Like it wouldn't absorb much paint. Oh, there's a little frog there. You're kidding me. Oh, mate. You can't park there. Shit. I'm going to leave you there. I'm not sure I should be swearing, should I? YouTube's going to like that. I'll have to declare it as not safe for children or something. God, now that I've said that, it's probably not going to get posted anyway. What a cute little frog. I should get the camera and show you. I'll turn this off because it's pretty boring anyway. He must have been on the boat. I don't know how he could have been. How he can climb up onto the thing at the moment. It doesn't make sense. I guess he could come up the tyres and climb up the side of the hull. I don't quite know why he would do that. Hey, little fella. Oi, there you go. Good job. Thank you. Welcome aboard. Oh, he's video shy. The toxic paint might have scared you off too, eh? Anyway. 1,000 watts of power. I think the battery's going flat in the car. We listen to music all night. What are we down to? Yeah, 11.9. That's not going to be good. I've got a jump pack there somewhere. That should sort it out. Yeah, anyway. Microphone test. Part 2. Actually, it's the second time I've tried it. I don't know. I guess I'll listen to it later. Yummy homebrew. Oh, God. I've got paint all over it already. Oh, you beauty. Oh, I guess that's how we roll. Right, how do I turn this thing off?